I'm not vegan, therefore I am evil.
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how. Hello students, welcome to class. So you guys have been texting me and telling me I should have covered this story. I should be looking at this thing that happened with the SS Sniper Wolf because she was really mean to this girl who's dying of cancer. And I thought I would just have a look at it finally because you guys are asking me to a lot. For those of you who don't know, SS Sniper Wolf is somebody who is quite mean. She is somebody who acts like she's nice on the outside, but she's also said things like she would like to punch a cow.
That by itself makes me want to punch a cow.
When I talked about saving cows, when I talked about how we shouldn't be hurting animals, and when I asked her to please stop eating chicken and chicken wings and eggs and all these things that come from these horrible cycles of violence, she just kept eating them and just making fun of me. And when I made a video trying to convince her to stop hurting the chickens, the cows, the turkeys, the lambs, and everything. At one point, I was holding up a card. I kept it here somewhere. Anyways, I was holding up a card, and I had accidentally misspelt it. Maybe you guys don't know, but I have dyslexia, and I was probably just doing it fast. Instead of saying, it said, stop wasting your time. I wrote the word wasting like a waste. Anyway, instead of talking about the issue at hand, she just made fun of what I'd written on the card. And what I really want her to do is watch the important documentaries. Watch Dominion.com. I want her to watch that so that she can help us save these poor innocent animals. So I said to her that she was a really mean person because she has 30 million followers. And instead of helping me to save the animals, like she could have easily have said something like, hey, let's eat more fruits and vegetables. Hey, let's try to be vegan. Let's work towards that in the next few months. Like Miss Katie's right. She didn't do any of that. All she did is just try to make fun of me. So she's quite vegan phobic. I do have a whole bunch of little cards here. And one of them is about that. Yeah, vegan phobia is wrong. Okay, so that's my message to Sniper Wolf. She was vegan phobic. She was cruel to me, an animal defender. And she was also very cruel to the animals by saying that she thought that she would like to punch a cow and that all these animals are delicious and not caring at all about the fact that they're sentient. And that means that they have feelings. And because we can eat anything else, all I'm asking for her to do is take steps in that direction. But she was pretty mean about it. So anyway, let's watch this video and see what we think. I haven't seen it yet. I'm going to be watching it with you guys. All I know is that something happened. She's apparently was terrible. I don't know. Let's see.
Now our next story for today comes from the YouTuber known as Sniper Wolf. So for those of you who don't know, Sniper Wolf is one of the largest creators on YouTube. She has over 30 million subscribers and she makes millions and millions of views every single video. She does a lot of reaction content where she reacts to other videos and TikToks and things that people find funny, and people love her videos. But over the last few days, Sniper Wolf has been in a lot of controversy because of a situation that happened with one of her fans. Now this fan is named Kiara. She is terminally ill with cancer, and one of her final wishes.
Let's see her. Oh, little cutie. Terminally ill. You know, that's one of the reasons I stopped working as a nurse. I used to work in the intensive care unit at McMaster University Hospital in Hamilton, Ontario, and it was a pediatric and an adult ICU, and I just couldn't handle it when the kids were sick. My heart was just, I'm too sensitive, I guess. In the same way that I'm sensitive to the animals suffering, I found it really, really hard to work with kids when they were dying. It was just really devastating to me. Poor sweetie.
Is to see one of her favorite YouTubers, Sniper Wolf. She wants to see Sniper Wolf. She wants to talk with Sniper Wolf. She wants Sniper Wolf to acknowledge her. So just last week, the YouTuber Adam22 made a video with Kiara, and in this video, he was trying to make her final wishes.
Oh, look at her. She's so cute.
Come true, and he gifted her family $10,000. It's a very wholesome video.
Aww.
And in this video, Adam tells Kiara that he might be able to...
Well, she doesn't look at least like she's not in a hospital bed. She doesn't... I don't know how much time she has left, but it's good that she's still up and about. Mind you, this was 12 days ago. You guys let me know if you know anything more about this. Write down in the comments below what's happened to this little girl. I mean, I'd like to talk to her. Probably she doesn't want to talk to me. She probably hates me. But I wish her well.
get her in contact with Sniper Wolf because he might know someone who knows Sniper Wolf as well. This is a big deal for Kiara. You could tell she was extremely happy about this. And it looks like Sniper Wolf really was able to get in contact with Kiara's family. She actually contacted Kiara's mom over Instagram and she says, hello, I would love to send her a video message or to chat with her. So Kiara's mom responds saying that she would love to talk with her. And then Sniper Wolf responds saying that she would love to do it tomorrow. Kiara's mom then responds again saying, yes, please. Then Sniper Wolf responds back saying, sure, if not tomorrow, then Sunday. So obviously Kiara's family was super happy that Sniper Wolf responded, and they ended up posting about this on Instagram, and Sniper Wolf saw this and she got upset about it. She says, hi, please don't post messages. I don't usually do this. I don't want other people to spam me to video message. Thanks. So Kiara's mom ended up deleting her post about Sniper Wolf, and it looked like Sniper Wolf was going to contact them and actually send Kiara a video or maybe even call her on Christmas on that day. But a ton of time passed, and by the end of the night, Sniper Wolf responds back saying, hey, sorry, I didn't have time today. I'll let you know tomorrow. Merry Christmas.
Why wouldn't she just give a specific time? It would have been so easy to say, hey, I'll call you at this time tomorrow. Or send something to the mom that says, hey, I'm available at 10 in the morning, noon, and 2. Pick one. You know, it would have been so easy that way. That way you can, the mom has a little bit of a control over the situation and you know, you get the ball rolling instead of this back and forth sort of vague stuff.
Kiara's mom then responds the next morning saying, perfect, just let us know. And then she didn't actually get any messages back from Sniper Wolf the whole day until late that night. She responds saying, hello, let us know if today works. If not, tomorrow is good, but can we maybe set up a specific time? Now Sniper Wolf responds back saying, hello, I can in like 2 hours if that works. The mom responds again saying, that is 11 p.m. over on this side. We live in Massachusetts and Kiara will most likely not be awake. So Sniper Wolf responds saying, oh, okay, hopefully tomorrow. Does any time during the day work?
Why doesn't she just tell her, I will call your daughter at 9 in the morning? I mean, if she's going to sleep at whatever, 9 or 10 at night, she could easily set her alarm. Sniper Wolf could have and just said, hey, I'll call at 9 in the morning. Or I'll call you at 9 or 10 or 11, whatever. Just pick a time and just do it. Follow through. So disappointing.
She says yes. So the next day rolls around and Sniper Wolf has not contacted the mother. She still hasn't sent this short video that she said that she was going to do. And the mother says, hey, Kiara's up. I don't know if you're around. So now Sniper Wolf responds back saying, hey, sorry, I won't be home for another 2 hours. It might be too late.
Couldn't she have just sent a quick message? Like just picked up her phone like this and just press the button and just say, hey, Kiara, it's me, Leah. Thanks a lot for being one of my fans. I don't know, whatever. I hope you feel better. Whatever she wanted to say. You know, like why couldn't she have just done it spontaneously? It's not like she's, not used to being in front of the camera. Excuse me. She's really used to it. So I don't know. What a shame.
We can keep trying, but my days are usually very busy. Now, this is what has stirred up so much controversy surrounding this situation because Sniper Wolf only had to send a short little video or just do a quick little FaceTime call or chat with this girl. It was going to be only a few minutes and she kept putting it off. Keep in mind, this girl is terminally ill. She's currently dying, okay? And the mother herself got fed up with Sniper Wolf over this. She responds to Sniper Wolf saying, my daughter looks up to you. She loves you. Watched you her whole cancer treatment in the past year. It would have been nice for you to just say hi. It's okay that she's dying and literally has days to live.
Oh, it's getting so ugly. Oh God, poor mom.
I just tried to make my daughter's last wishes happen. You shouldn't have even reached out to us because then I could have just told Kiara that we tried. I told her that you messaged and I told her that you wanted to say hi and instead you blew off a dying 10-year-old girl for days. It's all good. So clearly the mom is very upset over this because she feels like Sniper Wolf is messing with her kid's feelings, especially when she's going through the last stages of her life right now.
Oh
and the mother...
God. Oh, how awful. What would you guys do? What do you think? Write it in the comments below. What do you think that this could have been better handled by the mom or by Sniper Wolf? What do you think? Write it down below. And while you're there, by the way, while we have a pause, you see the subscribe button down there? Press the subscribe button and press the notification bell. Once you do that, you'll be able to be here every time I put up a premiere, and I'm often here in the comments and you can just reach me. I also have a Patreon, by the way, if you want to reach me directly. You can just join the Patreon team. It's at $3 a month, and you can write to me there that way if you like. All right, let's keep listening.
Started to post about this over Instagram, and Sniper Wolf responds back to her saying, "No need to be rude, I said I would do it. It's Christmas and my family is visiting from out of town." Then the mother responds back one last time saying, "We are good," and the mother blocks Sniper Wolf.
Oh no. Oh my God. How horrible. That is so sad. You know, it does make me think though. Look, all those times that Sniper Wolf was making those videos saying how she was unsympathetic towards animals and how she even admitted herself that she's not a caring person, that she doesn't have empathy. Maybe that should have been an alarm bell for many of Sniper Wolf's fans. You know, they say that when you are cruel to animals or you don't care about animals, that then the next phase is that you are also cruel and unkind to humans. Often they talk about that with small children. If you see certain children hurting animals, that this is a really dangerous sign that this could move on to hurting humans, physically, I mean. Now, I'm not saying that she's like that, but I'm just saying that somebody who has somebody reach out to her and say, "Hey, can you please stop hurting animals? Can you stop eating them? Can you stop wearing them? Can you please stop promoting their usage? You know, I'm here trying to say, hey, let's keep the whales in the ocean. Let's not take them out away from their families and put them in swimming pools." That's what being vegan is all about. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying let's stop, breeding animals into existence. Let's stop breeding dogs. Let's go to the shelters where there are, so many hundreds of thousands, millions, if you count around the world, of abandoned animals, dogs and cats who need loving homes. So stop breeding them. Stop paying people to force them to be together. It's not right. And in the dairy industry, I reached out to her and I said, look, please stop promoting dairy. Don't talk about any dairy products. If you're eating ice cream, make sure it's vegan and tell everyone how great vegan ice cream is. I asked her to do these little things. I asked her to talk about, Beyond Burgers, for example, a different type of meat that's plant-based. And she could so easily have done that. I also talked to her about eggs and how it's horrible to eat eggs. And, here, this is one of the signs that I made for Sniper Wolf. I told her it's wrong. You pay people in the egg industry to cut up baby boy chicks because they're deemed useless just because they will never be able to lay eggs. I told her about that. And I said, can you please stop talking about eggs? And anytime you see eggs, say, hey, by the way, that vegan teacher reminded us not to eat eggs, not to eat chickens because they are so abused. They are one of the most abused animals on the planet. But unfortunately, Sniper Wolf she said straight out, she doesn't have empathy. So something is clearly wrong with her. There's something wrong. And so I encourage all of you who look up to her and think that she's this wonderful person to really think twice. Just because she's smiling on camera and laughing with you doesn't mean she's a good person. Look at what's on her plate every day. Look at what she does in her videos whenever she's seeing an animal that's dead, whether it's a chicken on a plate, a turkey, whether it's a cow, whether it's milk or eggs, any of these things, a lamb. Look at how she reacts. Look at what she does. Does she remind people, hey, let's go towards becoming vegan. Let's be like that vegan teacher and let's try to slowly cut down. Let's get our 100 clicks together. That would have been so great. If Sniper Wolf would have said, hey, that vegan teacher talks about 100 clicks. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. That means 100 light bulb moments where you have to get the message in your head and you have to get the message in your heart. You have to understand that it is perfectly fine and logical to be vegan. You can be healthy as a vegan, and you have to watch the important documentaries that I'm always talking about, like Dominion. Just Google Dominion and watch that. It's really sad to find out what happens to the animals, but be brave enough. Be brave enough. Don't be like Leah, and don't look up to people like that who are unkind to animals, who are so cold to those of us who are trying to protect them. Thank you all very much for watching. I do have a few little signs here that I'm just going to hold up just to show you. Okay, so this one says, be as vegan as possible. Start today. That's one thing you can do. And buy cruelty-free. So this means everything. Anything that you're buying, just try your best. Now, it's true you can't always find everything that's cruelty-free. I didn't realize that markers I was using had some animal product in them, because I think it said not tested on animals, but I didn't realize that there was something in it. Or anyway, sometimes it's not easy, but do your best. When you're buying something, just Google it and research. And if you can do without it, then buy something else, you know? But if you're buying clothing, for example, don't buy wool, don't buy leather, don't buy fur. You know, just Google and find out why. In the documentary Dominion, you'll understand why. Yeah, buy only vegan things. There's one. Don't hurt animals. I also have, here's a big one that says, stop paying people to kill for you. That's what everyone's doing who's eating animals. You're paying somebody to hurt animals who never did a single thing wrong to you. You don't be like Sniper Wolf. You guys are better than that. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, here. Eating animals is unnecessary, and therefore, if you do it, you are an animal abuser. It's time to be vegan from now on. So I want to thank everybody for watching this channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Press the notification bell. Help me get these animals out of hell. Reach out to Leah. Reach out to SS Sniper Wolf and tell her, hey, let's try to be vegan. Just write it in her comment section. Just say, hey, Leah, it would be great if you talked about some vegan products once in a while. It would be great if you promoted vegan ice cream and, vegan milk, things like that. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Look around. Press them if you can, if you're interested. There's a bunch of videos in the past with me talking about Sniper Wolf and Call Me Chris. I'm also trying to get her to become vegan, and Gordon Ramsay and all of these people. Dr. Mike, Mr. Beast, all of these people. There's so many of them who should be vegan by now. So thanks again, and I will see you guys all in the next video. I look forward to reading your comments down below. Try to say something positive. Write to me what you ate. What kind of fruits and veggies you ate. What kind of nuts did you eat today? Did you make oatmeal? Did you make a big pot of lentils? Whatever. Give yourself a big hug too, those of you who are trying, and those of you who have just decided you're going to be vegan. You got your 100th click today. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you guys. So proud. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.